Your Nissan diesel may already be showing the early signs. Rough idle, weaker acceleration, harder cold starts, and extra smoke usually make owners fear expensive repairs, when most of the time, the injectors are simply clogged with carbon and deposit buildup. 1. Use a proper diesel injector cleaner. The first method is also the one most Nissan diesel owners use incorrectly. Many drivers buy the cheapest injector cleaner available, pour it into a full tank, and expect instant results. Modern Nissan diesel engines like the YD25 and M9R rely on extremely precise injector spray patterns operating under massive pressure, so even small carbon deposits begin affecting combustion quality. This is when rough idle, delayed throttle response, extra smoke, and weaker fuel economy slowly appear. The important part is understanding that not all additives work properly. Experienced diesel owners use high-quality diesel-specific cleaners because stronger detergent compounds survive combustion temperatures and clean deposits effectively. For Nissan diesel engines specifically, products like Liqui Moly Diesel Purge, Chevron Techron Diesel, and Hotshot Secret Diesel Extreme are commonly recommended because they target carbon and varnish buildup inside the injector system instead of simply lubricating the fuel. The correct way to use them matters just as much as the product itself. Do not pour the cleaner into a completely full fuel tank, as it weakens the concentration too much. Instead, wait until the tank drops to roughly 1/4 full. Add the injector cleaner first, then refill the tank with fresh diesel so the fuel mixes the treatment properly throughout the system. Once the cleaner is inside the system, the next step matters even more. The engine needs proper load and temperature for the cleaner to work effectively. A short 5-minute city drive will not do much. The engine needs sustained operating temperature and fuel flow through the injectors for the cleaner to break down deposits properly. This means taking the vehicle onto an open road or motorway and driving long enough for the injectors to operate under real load conditions. One mistake many Nissan owners make is ignoring the fuel filter before treatment. If the filter is already partially clogged, the cleaner cannot reach the injectors properly at full concentration. In some cases, loosened deposits can also overload an old filter even further. This is why replacing the fuel filter before the first injector treatment is one of the smartest things you can do. Injector cleaners are not miracle fixes for physically damaged injectors. If the injector is mechanically worn, leaking internally, or electronically failing, no bottle will repair it. For deposit buildup, which is what causes most early symptoms, this method works surprisingly well when done properly. A smoother idle, cleaner acceleration, reduced smoke, and better throttle response are often noticeable within a single treated tank. This is why experienced Nissan diesel owners use injector cleaner preventively every few thousand miles instead of waiting until the engine feels terrible. 2. The diesel Italian tune-up. This is the method most Nissan diesel owners accidentally avoid, and ironically, that is exactly why injector deposits build up in the first place. Modern diesel engines spend most of their lives in city traffic, short commutes, school runs, and low-speed driving. The problem is that diesel engines were never designed to operate only under light load conditions. When your Nissan spends weeks doing nothing but short, gentle trips, combustion temperatures stay too low for too long, and carbon deposits begin building inside the injector tips, combustion chamber, EGR system, and intake tract. The buildup slowly changes how the injectors spray fuel. The engine management system compensates for it at first, which is why most owners do not notice anything immediately. Then the symptoms slowly begin appearing: rough idle, slight hesitation, more startup smoke, slower throttle response, and worsening fuel economy. This is where the diesel Italian tune-up comes in. Despite the strange name, the idea is actually simple. The engine needs sustained heat and load to burn off carbon deposits naturally. Diesel engines respond extremely well to this because combustion temperature under load is what helps clear soot and residue from the system. The important part is understanding how to do it correctly. Most people think this means revving the engine aggressively from cold or bouncing off the limiter. In a Nissan diesel, load matters far more than extreme RPM. The engine needs to work properly under sustained acceleration and steady higher load conditions. Wait until the engine is fully warmed up before taking your Nissan diesel onto an open road and keeping it under moderate load, between roughly 2,500 and 3,500 revolutions per minute for 15 to 20 minutes. Using a slightly lower gear helps maintain proper engine load and higher combustion temperatures, which burn off soot and carbon deposits before they harden further. This is especially important on Nissan diesels with EGR systems, because constant low-load city driving dramatically increases soot buildup over time. Now, there is an important warning here. Do not attempt this on a Nissan diesel with overheating, low oil, or known mechanical issues, because higher engine load amplifies existing problems. When done correctly, smoother acceleration, cleaner throttle response, reduced hesitation, and quieter operation often return surprisingly quickly. If your Nissan diesel already feels rougher than it used to, hit like and subscribe, because the final method is the one almost every diesel owner ignores, even though it is usually the biggest reason injector deposits keep coming back. 3. Replace the fuel filter and manage water contamination. Most Nissan diesel owners focus entirely on the injectors themselves while ignoring the fuel filter, the component protecting the entire injector system every second the engine runs. And honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons injector problems become expensive. Modern Nissan diesel injectors operate with incredibly small internal tolerances. The clearances inside the injector are so precise that contamination invisible to the naked eye can still damage spray quality and accelerate deposit buildup over time. This means dirty fuel, restricted flow, and especially water contamination slowly begin affecting the injector long before complete failure happens. A partially clogged fuel filter changes more than most drivers realize. Fuel pressure becomes less stable, fuel delivery becomes less consistent, and contamination reaching the injector system increases. The combination speeds up carbon buildup and reduces combustion quality at the same time. This is why rough idle and sluggish response sometimes continue, even after injector cleaner treatment. The injectors may be cleaner, but the fuel reaching them is still compromised. For many Nissan diesel platforms like the Navara, Pathfinder, Patrol diesel variants, and X-Trail diesels, proper fuel filter maintenance is absolutely critical, because common rail diesel systems are extremely sensitive to contamination. Water contamination is even more dangerous because diesel systems naturally collect moisture over time, especially in humid climates or with poor quality fuel storage. At high injector pressures, water behaves almost like an abrasive against sensitive components, which is why Nissan diesel water separators and proper filter maintenance are extremely important. And here is something many owners overlook completely. If the fuel filter is heavily restricted, even injector cleaner additives become less effective because the cleaner itself struggles to reach the injectors properly at full concentration. That is why experienced diesel technicians often replace the fuel filter before performing injector cleaning treatments. The process itself is straightforward. Use a high-quality replacement filter designed specifically for your Nissan diesel engine. Cheap filters often reduce filtration quality and can create restriction issues themselves. After replacement, always prime the system correctly, according to the vehicle procedure, to avoid introducing air into the fuel system. And if you regularly fill up at low-volume stations with questionable fuel quality, this maintenance becomes even more important. Your injectors process every single drop of fuel entering the engine. If the fuel reaching them is contaminated, poor spray quality and deposit buildup become almost unavoidable over time. A clean filter and properly managed fuel system dramatically improve injector lifespan, fuel delivery stability, combustion quality, and long-term diesel reliability. 4. Stop the driving habits that cause injector deposits. This final method costs absolutely nothing, but it is also the one most Nissan diesel owners completely ignore. The truth is, injector deposits usually do not appear because of one bad tank of fuel or one sudden failure. Injector deposits build slowly through everyday driving habits repeated over months and years, and modern diesel driving patterns create almost perfect conditions for carbon buildup inside the injectors. Short trips, constant stop-and-go traffic, gentle acceleration, low engine load, and repeated cold starts followed by shutting the engine off only minutes later create the perfect conditions for injector deposit buildup. This combination prevents the engine from reaching the sustained combustion temperatures diesel systems were designed around. When combustion temperatures stay low repeatedly, fuel does not burn as cleanly. Soot and carbon residue begin collecting around injector tips, inside the EGR system, and throughout the intake system. Over time, the injector spray pattern slowly becomes distorted, and that is when the rough idle, hesitation, smoke, and weaker fuel economy begin appearing. The dangerous part is how gradually this happens. Most Nissan diesel owners adapt to the declining performance without even realizing it, because the change happens slowly enough to feel normal. The habits that prevent injector deposits are actually very simple. Whenever possible, allow your Nissan diesel to fully warm up before shutting it off again. Regular longer drives at full operating temperature help reduce soot buildup inside the injector system, while constant short trips and overly gentle low RPM driving accelerate carbon deposits much faster over time. Fuel quality matters more than most Nissan diesel owners realize because cleaner fuel helps reduce contamination and moisture entering the injection system in the first place. Using poor quality diesel from low turnover stations accelerates particulate and carbon buildup inside the injectors much faster over time. Oil maintenance matters as well because excessive soot contamination in old engine oil affects combustion quality and emission system operation directly. The important thing here is understanding that most injector buildup is preventable long before expensive repairs begin. In most cases, nothing is actually broken yet, because Nissan diesel injectors usually become heavily contaminated long before permanent damage ever begins. Most Nissan diesel injector problems start with deposits long before real damage begins. Follow these 4 methods consistently, and the difference in smoothness and response can be massive. Like, subscribe, and keep your Nissan diesel running cleaner for much longer.